Today, we're set to uncover the strategies for effortlessly making money through the latest apps. Imagine transforming your phone into a cash-generating tool as we explore the realm of passive income. Whether you're in need of extra funds, looking for a part-time opportunity, or simply want your free time to contribute to your earnings, this video is tailored just for you. Stick around until the end as we reveal a step-by-step process and introduce you to game-changing apps that could be your ticket to financial freedom. We'll guide you through the entire process, help you enhance your skills, and teach you how to earn money online without limits. If you want to stay updated on new online money-making methods, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. This channel welcomes all opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. Now let's get into the initial steps. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store for iPhone users. Both platforms host the same apps, but for this example, I'll demonstrate using the Google Play Store. I'll guide you through the process of finding apps that enable you to effortlessly earn money on your phone. Let's start with the first app, AOAI. This recently launched app boasts a stellar 5-star rating and over 50,000 downloads, an impressive start. I anticipate it reaching 1 million downloads shortly. To get started, simply install the app, and I'll walk you through its functionality. According to their website, AOAI lets you make your internet work for you, earning passive income. It operates as the first people-powered data ID network, providing real-time unbiased insights for creators, brands, and businesses. Rest assured, this app is safe to use. It's an innovative concept where you install the app, and without much effort, you begin earning. While it might not be the highest-paying app, it's certainly a lucrative option to kickstart your earning journey. Now let's explore the innovative application known as Good Dollar. Named for its mission to distribute universal basic income (UBI) in the form of cryptocurrencies, this groundbreaking app is designed for those facing financial challenges and individuals seeking an additional income stream. Good Dollar stands out for bringing together the cryptocurrency community while extending a helping hand through free earnings. Upon visiting their website, you'll encounter a compelling message of free money is a public good, unlocking human potential with digital universal basic income. The platform boasts an impressive track record with 640,000 individuals onboarded, facilitating $6 million in transactions. With a noteworthy money multiplier of 13 times, the possibilities of exploring and potentially benefiting from this digital universal basic income are quite enticing. You can easily sign up and become part of this transformative initiative. Despite its current 100,000 downloads, C-Dollar has already secured a 4.3-star rating out of 5, making it a user-friendly and well-received application. The potential for widespread adoption appears promising, given its unique approach to financial inclusivity. As more people discover the advantages of Good Dollar, its current user base is likely to soar into the millions. Don't miss out on exploring the world of Good Dollar, where universal basic income meets the digital age. This marks our second app on this exciting journey towards earning effortlessly and ethically. Stay tuned as I'll reveal the highest paying app towards the end of this video. Wait a minute! Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified of our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's delve into the intriguing realm of our third highlighted app, TheProdigy. This application introduces a unique dimension to the concept of earning money online by capitalizing on your internet connection. As we navigate through their website, we discover a compelling slogan: share your internet connection and make money online. The premise is reminiscent of our first app, but with the promise of higher payouts. The core philosophy behind TheProdigy lies in answering the question, why would we pay for your traffic? The answer unfolds in the vast demand from numerous marketing and advertising agencies eagerly seeking customer visits, website traffic, and additional internet storage. This innovative approach capitalizes on the untapped potential of the vast 92% of unused bandwidth that most individuals possess. Users stand to earn an average of $29 for each connected device, making it an enticing opportunity. With a user base of 350,000 individuals and a commendable 4.1-star rating, TheProdigy has achieved remarkable popularity, boasting an impressive 1 million downloads. The surge in downloads underscores its effectiveness and user appeal, establishing it as a valuable addition to your portfolio of internet sharing applications. In the ever-evolving landscape of passive income opportunities, diversity is key. Hence, having multiple internet sharing apps on your phone, including TRA Monetizer, allows you to harness the collected potential. Now let's optimize your earnings as we transition to our fourth recommendation, CashRaven. We embark on another exploration into the realm of earning passive income by sharing your internet connection. The rationale behind accumulating a variety of these apps becomes evident. Each app may offer distinct benefits, and having a diverse array increases your potential earnings. CashRaven, like its counterparts, emphasizes the importance of safety controls during installation, ensuring a secure and reliable user experience. As we scrutinize their earning structure, it becomes apparent that the more devices you have in operation, the more income you can generate. This app provides a user-friendly interface that enables you to monitor and control the shared data, promoting a safe and efficient earning environment. According to their statistics, sharing 33 gigabytes per day could potentially yield around $100 per device. The versatility of this model allows you to extend the invitation to friends and family, perhaps your parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, creating a network of shared devices that collectively contribute to your earnings. In essence, this concise yet comprehensive video serves as a time-saving guide, offering you a curated selection of apps that can transform your idle time into a lucrative venture. The strategic integration of these internet sharing apps not only optimizes your earnings, but also simplifies the process, sparing you the tedious task of searching for opportunities independently. Now let's explore the final app in our lineup, the one I've been eagerly waiting to introduce, Make Money, Play, and Earn Cash, operating under the name Mode Mobile, with the motto turning the smartphone into the Earn Phone. This app boasts an impressive track record, having paid out over $150 million to users and gathered 2 million plus 5-star reviews on the Google Play Store. Notably, it has secured $40 million in investments from around the globe. What sets this app apart is its versatility in earning opportunities. Users can pocket up to $1,200 annually by simply listening to music, playing games, and more. Cash-out options are flexible, ranging from bank transfers and PayPal to cryptocurrency and various popular gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. To get started, all you need to do is download the app and join the platform, a straightforward process. With its legitimacy and user-friendly approach, Play and Earn Cash stands out as a favorite among the presented apps. It's a top-tier option for those seeking a hassle-free and reliable means to boost their income effortlessly. Simply put, this app makes turning your smartphone into a valuable source of earnings both easy and lucrative. And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.